everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe us. Today, we're gonna draw the rainbow friends with the Easter egg. The first friend is our blue friend. He has the crown on one side of the head. His head is a circle shape. We're gonna leave the left side a little gap, because this is the green friend's finger across his face. The finger is kind of like the oval shape. He has the 3 fingers and one hand with the curved line. The blue friend, he has the circle as the eye. The left one, we do 2 circles in the coloring with the black in the middle. Another one, it's like the button shape, so we do the cross in the middle. He has the big smile face, sliver on the one side. His arm, it's kind of like the oval shape, but the bottom, which is thicker than the top side. In his arm, he holds the egg. The egg shape, which is like the oval. Our green friends, we're gonna start from his 2 circle eyes first. His head is kind of like the cylinder shape, so we're gonna use the curved line drawing the bottom. His tongue comes from the 2 wavy lines under the triangle on the top. These 2 friends, they hug each other, so on green friend's body, we can see the blue friend's hand. Then, we're gonna draw the top of the second egg. After that, we finish the body and the arm first. Because the green friend, he has the finger, really long one, so he can hold in the egg. His finger will follow the egg shape, one by one go shorter. We're gonna draw the curved line, go connect with his body. After that, we finish the egg and the body. Well done, guys! Let's start to design your Easter egg. You can do any patterns that you love. Trying to use the curved line, because the egg surface which is the round. So use the curved line will make it look more better. Good job! Let's start coloring now. First one, we're gonna coloring our blue friend. You can use sky blue or royal blue. Slow down, take your time. The body is the same color. If you accidentally left some white gap, please fit it. We're gonna use the dark blue, make the blue friends as the 3D shape. First, we're gonna do the corn's cast shadow, and then the core shadow down the bottom of the head with the curved, like in the moon shape, same as on the arm. Don't forget his another hand. Well done, guys. After that, we're gonna use the sky blue. You can use your baby blue, lake blue, or any light blue. We're gonna use the yellow coloring the chrome. It's no matter you use lemon yellow, yellow, or deep yellow. They were all good. The light orange drawing the shades on the chrome. Now it's the time to do our green friend. You can use the lime green, grass green, any light green coloring it. We're gonna start from the finger. Take your time, slow down. We use the same green, fully cover his arm, head. Good job! And we're gonna use the dark green drawing the shades on his finger. On his arm, it has the core shadow. We can draw the shape first, then coloring it. Same as we just did his left hand. We're gonna do the shadow on his another hand. Good job! We finished the green. Then we're gonna use the red, coloring his tongue. Find your dark red. We're gonna do the shades on his tongue as well. After that, we're gonna use the dark gray coloring these mouths. After that, let's design your Easter egg. You can choose any color that you like, but please thinking about our friend's color. One is blue, one is green, right? So when you're choosing the color, I will recommend you do not use the similar blue as the blue friend on the left egg. And also, try do not to use the similar green on the right egg, because they will look so similar. But you can use the green on the left egg, because that's the blue friends hold it. If you want to learn more different drawing of the rainbow friends or the Easter egg, please leave the message to us. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.